Warrior Plus. How to sell on Warrior Plus, how to list your internet marketing product in order to get more sales at less price. Warrior Plus is the largest network for selling internet marketing products, and in this video I'll teach you how to use it and how to leverage our Warrior Plus. So let's go to the video and remember to subscribe to the channel.
Plus network is one of the best affiliate networks for marketers in the internet marketing niche, and you can list both free and paid products here. You could also list Warrior special offers, which are offers on the Warrior form, or you can list your own hosted offers. Okay, so in this video series I'm going to cover topics such as how to sell your product on this network, and I'm going to also explain why I like the Warrior Plus network and what I think are its advantages over other affiliate networks. And I'm also going to let you watch over my shoulder as I list an offer and create a funnel on Warrior Plus. And lastly, I'm going to show you other features on the Warrior Plus network that you may find interesting. In this video, I just want to give a few points of why I like the Warrior Plus network. One reason is because it's easier for affiliates to see your offer. If you compare it to other affiliate networks out there, it's a lot easier for affiliates to actually see your offer. You get a lot of exposure on this network. So let's just take a look at the offer section here. So this is where I would go as an affiliate. If I were looking for an offer, I would go in the offer section, and you could sort by date, sales, conversion, etc. Okay, here I've sorted it by date. So the newest releases, the newest products are showing up first. So if that's what I'm looking for to promote to my list, I can just go down this list. So basically, if you create a product, I will see your product here on the network. Okay, and usually what attracts my attention is the ones that have plenty of sales. I also look at the title to see if it's something that's something that my list would be interested in. Okay, another reason why I like the Warrior Plus is because if you get awarded deal of the day, you will get a lot of exposure. Just having the deal of the day banner gives you a lot of credibility, and you could also see all the deals of the day here. So again, if I'm an affiliate, I'm looking for a hot product to promote, I'll just go to deal of the day, and I can see the most recent deals of the day here, and I could click to view more, see the ones in the past. Okay, another reason why I like the Warrior Plus network is because it's easy to set up your offers here and your funnels, and I'll show that in another video how easy it is to set up a funnel and an offer on this network. Okay, and another reason why I like the Warrior Plus network is it's easier than most networks, affiliate networks, to list your product here. In the next video, I'm going to let you watch over my shoulder as I set up an offer and a listing here on the network. But for this video, I'm just going to show you quickly the process of how to set up the product and offer. So it takes a few steps. The first step is to go to the product page here, and you just click on a new product. As you can see, I already have a few products listed here. I've set up some demo products for the coming demonstration in the next video. But to set up a new product, you just click on this button, and it's very simple. Straightforward. You just fill in the information here. Okay, and once you've done that, you would go to the offers section, and you click on new offer, and you would enter the title, and you would enter more information on here. And there's two steps for creating your offer. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to go and list an offer here on the Wire Plus network and let you watch over my shoulders. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an offer and a funnel here on Wire Plus. So what I'm looking at right now is the offers page, which you can go to by clicking on the offers link up here. So what you're going to want to do is click on new offer, and as you can see here, there are two steps. So I'm just going to quickly type in the information here, and this is just an example. Okay, and then I'm going to just click on create. And as it says here, it says this offer requires an admin approval before it can be activated. So it is not yet live on the Wire Plus marketplace. Okay, and now this is where I would put in the sales page URL or the Wire Special Offer post. So for this example, let's just type in, since I don't really have a sales page for this example, let's see if they'll accept google.com. And of course, if you had a Wire Special Offer, an offer in the forum, you can select that here. Okay, checkout banner. For now, I could skip that. Pre-launch, we'll skip. Allow affiliates on. Affiliate information. This is a demo. JV page URL. I highly recommend you get you create your own JV page so you could capture email addresses of your affiliates so you can notify them whenever you launch products. But for now, I'm just going to skip that. Okay, and then just click on create. Oh, and by the way, you can also connect your autoresponder here. Okay, so it's very simple. I'm not going to go through that right now. So I'm just going to click on create. Please enter a URL. Okay, so it's not accepting Google. There you go. Okay, so I believe it is done. Demo offer. It says this offer is not yet active. And as you can see here, for this offer, you can see the offer pages. This is the main page. Page is empty. I have to add a product here. So you click on this. Commission rate, you could choose that. Let's just choose 50%. And demo product front end. Now this I've already created in the product section. Okay, and it's very simple to create a product. So once you create your products, you can see them in this drop down menu here. So I've selected demo product front end for this example. Click on save. Okay, and just as a reminder, when you do want to create your products to put in the offer, you just go right here where it says products. Okay, so there you go. I've created the front end here. So if we don't have an actual funnel, this is just, we just have one product. This is it. We're good to go. And we would just submit a request here for admin approval. Okay, but we're going to go further and we're going to add an upsell and a downsell. So it says here, have an upsell. Click here to create a new page. And that's what I'm going to do. Name demo upsell. Save. Okay. and it says page empty. So add a product. So click on that. Available products, upsell. There's no upsell to this actual upsell, so we just skip all that. Save. Okay, and there you go. But it says here page not in your funnel. Okay, so you just click on Y. Okay, so basically it's saying that we have to link it to this product. So you just click on this right here where it says add upsell. And there you go. So now you have an upsell here. And now have another upsell or downsell. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a downsell. Okay. And add a product. Okay. And like I said, I've already created these products before I shot this video, so they're already set up here, but they're very easy to set up. Commission rate 50%. Okay, and there you go. So now I have a main offer in the front end, an upsell, and a downsell. And you can see the map down here of the funnel. You can see it's from the front end, it goes to the upsell, and then it goes to the downsell. Okay, and right here is where you would get the codes for your buy buttons and your no thanks link, your no thank links, and for your other buttons. So let's just click on this just to take a look here. So this is what the button looks like. You could change the look of it. Right here it says add to cart. If you want to change the text, you could click on where it says buy now, and it'll say buy now or free download. Free trial. Okay, so you could edit this button, and this is the code right here, and you could also get your other codes here. For example, your no thanks link, your exit pop, and your countdown timer. Now, I just want to quickly go through some features that you may find interesting here on the network. What I'm looking at right now is the customer stats page. You just go here by clicking on the customer's link, and you can see some interesting statistics here. For example, you could see the number of customers that are new and the number of customers that are returning. Okay, you could also see statistics for your affiliate statistics. You could see pending affiliate requests, and you could also get into JV contracts with other marketers, and you can create JV contracts here. Okay, and other things you could do here are you could create affiliate contests. Just click on this link, and you could also create coupons for your offers.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, go to johnvianney.com, insert your name and email, and get the step-by-step coaching on how to make money online selling other people's products.